this footage but to watch firework tonight. It's gonna be awesome, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna go with my family. I'm gonna spend some time with my family too. And yeah, probably it's good. The price is gonna be about 9:30 something. I'm not sure what I watch how many. Oh, look at that. I can't believe that I can still play Pokemon. That is a stupid game I've ever seen in my life.
You played it?
I didn't know it anymore.
And?
Okay, show me. What did you got in your Pokemon Go? What level are you?
21.
21? Oh, the same one like me. Yeah. And but only are quick. Yeah, a long time ago.
And I have this
Oh, look at this guy. It's level 23. It's awesome. Don't listen to her. She is a naughty girl. She's very noisy. She is very noisy. Trust me, dude. Don't ever listen to her, okay? Okay. Yo guys, and now am I just walking around with my cousin, family, some all those kids, and then come on, look at this guy, he's trying to annoying. He's trying to interrupt me, but yo guys, look at where we are right now. We are at just Church Road right now, and then my cousin dare me to get a thing like it's very spacey. I don't know, but do it. Try. Never mind.
It's coming.
Oh come on, are you serious?
No, eat it. You said you'll do it. Just take like a big bunch, a big. Yeah.
Really?
Ready? Go.
What did you just say?
Eat it. Oh, use the tissue to wipe. Oh, you chicken? Are you on way?
Right now, I'm racing with my cousin. He's very fast. I'm trying to catch him. Oh my! I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna pass him right now. Come on, Shaw. I'm gonna pass right now. I won.
No, I won.
No, I actually won.
I did.
Actually, we are the same car. But anyway, never mind. Jesus. Roll it. I'm recording right now. I dare ya. Alright? Roll it. Roll! You. Right now, and I'm in the middle of many people right now, and then many people look at that. It's gonna be awesome, guys. Look at that. Look at just how many people right now. Awesome. Now it's my battery right now. I'm gonna take it on and charging right now. So you guys, see you guys near the tower, I guess. Do right now, and kind of. What time is this now? It's probably about, let me check.
Probably about, let me check.
7:09 right now, and I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do some bottle flip and maybe. Oh, Nathan here. He's naughty, guys. Another one. That guy. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say high five. High five. High five. One more shot. Oh, high five. Knock. Jesus. Oh, you liar. Land it.
We got 2 drinks.
Land it. Come on. Land it. Come on. Come on. No. Oh, come on. Land it. Oh, she landed it. No, it's not show up. Oh, come on. Oh, I landed. You landed. I landed. Are you wishing?
No.
Oh, I landed.
But yeah,
I'm doing landed.
Is it on now? Is it on?
Oh yeah, it's on.
Is it recording?
Yes, it is. Can I get some?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hello. It's recording. La 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 la. He has a YouTube channel. Get back, man. What is your name?
Oh, wait, Nathan.
What is your name?
Landed. Mac and cheese.
What is your name?
There's Nathan.
There's
Ask me,
not.
ask me. What's my name? What's my name? Mac and cheese.
Okay.
It's mac and cheese.
Cool.
Have you ever eaten mac?
Yeah.
It matters. It's me. Are you eating me? Come on. How dare you?
Follow the bottle.
Landed. Landed. Food strike. The bus come right now. The people here and I don't know where I'm going right now. Never mind. I'll just keep on going and then probably see somewhere they have shoelace like that.
Are you gonna edit?
Shop to get something, some drinks, some food to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but probably I'm gonna get probably I think. Oh, I know this one. Atas Monster. Monster.
Rockstar as well. That's like Monster.
Now I want the Monster. The blue, the white can. No, they don't have it. Yo guys, this is the moment we are waiting for. And now, 60 seconds left. Where we are. Come on, let's count. 30 seconds less, guys. Oh, so many people are recording right now. Even me. 6, 5, 4. Hey, oh, right there. Happy New Year, guys. And now we are. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. But look at that watch. It's just starting. I don't know how long the fireworks is gonna be, but it's probably about 5 minutes or something. I don't know. Let's check it out. It's awesome, yeah? Yo guys, that is the whole moment we are waiting for. It's just at a beautiful moment in your life, yeah? It did end. Happy New Year, yo guys, and that is the end. And probably I'm gonna go to city about 10-12 o'clock at midnight tonight. And see you guys later. Peace out. And now I'm on the way go to city. with my kind of homemade crystals. What's up, guys? We're on the train right now, and we are reached probably about in 15 more minutes. See you guys soon. Are you recording right now?
Yes. Center lane. Please be patient. Please move slowly and do not push.
Guys, 1 minute away.
1 minute away,
1 minute,
guys.
dude.
Entering this center lane, please keep moving. You need to keep moving towards the arts center. There is no stopping on the bridge.
Damn it, dude. Past 1 a.m. I can't call you anymore. Shit. Wait, dude, did you post it?
No, I'm trying.
Try.
Probably about 1 more minute left, guys.
Yeah, dude, 1 more minute left.
That is the moment we are waiting for. Turn right here. Turn right there. Stand here. Stand here and recording right there. Dude, the camera this way.
Yeah.
I'll have you to record it. Yo guys, I'm back. Dude, how much more longer? Dude, not crossing, dude. No, I'm not. Come up here. Come up here. Where you going? I don't know. I thought you know the way. Yo guys, we are waiting for the next train coming. It's about 20 more minutes left, and we are already tired, definitely tired. It's hot, and I don't know what to say, but yeah, that's all for today, guys. And see you guys in the next video. If you like the video, just I don't know, never mind, whatever. And yeah. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. See you guys. Peace out.